Well, hi everybody. Good morning. Meteorologist Travis Kleneski here on this Friday morning. The wind has died down. There still is a little bit of a breeze in spots out of the north here, but where the wind has really died down out west, it's nice and calm in those locations here. But where the wind is still a little bit strong, there are some breezy conditions in some spots where the wind chills are down below zero because of it. Skies are mostly clear, a couple of thin clouds out there. We're going to see a good amount of sun, but there will be some partly cloudy skies, especially right in here in the northeast. Maybe a few clouds passing through around the Tri-Cities area. Winds do start to pick up out west. While the winds will actually lighten up in the east as the day goes on, and it's going to stay cold because of it, winds start to pick up out west out of the south, and they become a little bit breezy later today. That's actually going to help to boost temperatures a little bit out west. The best weather will be way out west on the other side of this warm front. It could be up near 60 in Kimball today, so that warmth is not far away, but we will be chilly for today. Tonight, another cold night ahead of us here, a couple of passing clouds, but most of us will see clear skies. Tomorrow, more sunshine, warming up a little bit out there. A little bit of a south wind, not too strong though, 5 to 10 or so miles per hour. Tomorrow night, mostly clear, a couple of clouds. Not as cold tomorrow night, and this is going to take us into a really warm day on Sunday, especially out west where the winds will turn westerly here. That's going to bring in some big time warmth ahead of us for the second half of the weekend. So highs today struggling for most of us. This is going to be a bit below average, I should say. Mid to upper 20s out east. 30s right in here, most of central Nebraska, north central Kansas, and then down here to the southeast. And then 40s out west with, again, the other side of that warm front right here. 52 in Scotts Bluff, 59 in Kimball. We're down into the teens for lows tonight, near 20 in Thedford. A little bit warmer out west because, again, we've got that warm front lifting through. And then tomorrow gets better. Most of us will warm up, still closer to average. I'm going to sneeze, by the way, so I apologize for this. I apologize for the sneeze, but we'll keep it going anyway. Mid to upper 30s over eastern areas. That's pretty close to our average high for this time of the year. Low 40s in the Tri-Cities. A lot of 40s right here in the central part of the state. But look how quickly it bumps up to the 50s here to the west. 54 in North Platte, upper 50s in Ogallala and Imperial, low 60s in Kimball and Scotts Bluff. You think that's nice? Get a load of Sunday's forecast here. Now, first off, we start in the 20s to near 30. A much milder morning Sunday morning. And look at these highs on Sunday. 50s and 60s. When 52 is your cool spot in Columbus, a little cooler to the northeast, but kind of counting the local 4 viewing area anyway. 52 is your cool spot. You're doing pretty good in late December. 65 in Ogallala and Imperial, 64 in North Platte. I would not rule out upper 60s to near 70. A lot of times when we get way above average, we tend to surpass expectations. I think upper 60s to near 70 would not be out of the question. Going into Sunday night, another mild night ahead. Actually, I don't have Sunday night's forecast, but Monday, cooling down a little bit, but still highs into the upper 40s and low to mid 50s. We still have a nice day. It won't be quite as breezy, too. Sunday's going to be a breezier day. Monday won't be nearly as breezy. Looking at that extended forecast, again, temperatures warming up. They'll peak on Sunday and Monday in the Tri-Cities area. They'll come down a little bit on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. And I think the biggest downer of Christmas Day, there will be more clouds around on Christmas Day. But those temperatures are not cold by any means. A little breezy on Christmas Day as well. And then here comes a chance of some rain late Christmas night. We're talking after midnight into the day Thursday. Right now it looks like a slight chance. Temperatures, while cooling down, should stay warm enough to hopefully keep this all liquid precipitation. And in fact, after the brief cool down at the end of next week, we're warming back up next weekend now. That's a nice little surprise, and now it looks like we'll be trending a little bit warmer for the weekend before or between Christmas and New Year's. Looking at North Platte's forecast, today is chilly, but that's an average high. 50s tomorrow, 64 on Sunday. We're still in the 50s Sunday or Monday and Tuesday. Low 50s on Wednesday. Slight chance of rain Wednesday night. Upper 40s on Thursday. And right after that, it's going to stay on the mild side right into next weekend. Mid-50s are expected for next weekend here. And it looks like the last week of December into early January, we're going to keep those above average temperatures going. And we do have a chance of seeing above average precipitation. We'll see. I'm a little iffy on this right now. We have some chances, but I'm a little bit iffy on that here. In fact, as you look at things here down the road, there's not much. Everything stays to our north until we get to Christmas night. So here's Christmas Day. There's the clouds around. Here comes the chance of rain Christmas night into Thursday. Right now we're getting just a glancing shot of it. Maybe some more moisture next weekend, but right now the European model keeps us dry and warm. Let's look at the GFS model. Again, not a lot these next several days. Let's jump ahead to Christmas. Here come the clouds for Christmas. A system will pass to our south, but it's mostly going to be rain. If your travels take you to the mountains, then maybe you're going to deal with some snow out west before Christmas, but just rain to our south. Okay, Christmas Day right here. There's the clouds. And here comes the chance of rain either Christmas night or into the following day, but right now it doesn't look like much other than maybe the south and east. Maybe another round, though, that weekend here afterwards. This is very different than the European model, which is why I'm not going to lean one way or the other quite yet here. We'll see how things will play out. That's a long ways away yet. So, real quick look at the temperature trends. Again, no major cold shots coming after today. There's the cold air in place right now. Already starts to warm up out west today. That warmth spreads eastward tomorrow and Sunday. A little bit of a cool down Monday and Tuesday, and then even more maybe beyond that here, but no major cold air all the way through next weekend. Look at next weekend right there. We're back into the very mild category there, Saturday and Sunday. So no major cold air on the way, according to the European model. The GFS is a little bit different for next weekend. So again, there's the cold air for today. It's as bad as it gets. We're warming up Saturday and even more on Sunday. Slight cool down Monday and Tuesday, but not a major cool down. We'll kind of keep those nice temperatures, but cooler temperatures going through the end of next week. This model doesn't warm us up quite as much for next weekend like the European model does. And that's because it has that rain around. So again, there are some question marks to next weekend's forecast. My in-house model is leaning towards the European model, which tends to be the case. Usually the European is better at the long-range forecast than the GFS is. So I'm hoping that we're going to have a mild weekend for next weekend. Well, that is everything I have for you for today. I want to thank you all for watching on this Friday morning. I will be back with you on Monday morning as we inch ever so close to the Christmas holiday next week. Until then, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy the weather. Take advantage of it. I'll see you all again on Monday. Take care and God bless. Bye.